Hello everyone! Today we will be talking about composite materials. So, what are composite materials? Composite materials are materials made from two or more materials with very different properties. When they combine, they produce a new material with new characteristics different from the components. Composite materials can range from simply combining straw and mud to make bricks to super complex materials like Kevlar that requires a whole Wikipedia page of information to explain how they are made. The first thing we will discuss is forms composite materials can be in. Firstly, laminates. This is simply a material that is made up of layers. These layers are permanently bonded together, making the material behave as one material. An example of this is simply gluing a plastic sheet over paper to make the paper waterproof. This counts as a composite material. Fibers. This is when the material comes in a thread-like form. This means that the material can be made into string, rope, and even matted into fabrics or paper. Last is particles or matrix. This is when a material comes in a fiber form and is tightly bounded into another material. This is called a matrix. An example of this is fiberglass, where glass is mixed into plastic to create fiberglass. Now we'll go through some examples of composite materials. Plywood. Plywood is a combination of flat sheets of wood glued together to form a stronger material. This works by alternating the grain of each layer, and this stops the possibility of wood breaking along the grain. Plywood can be used to build furniture as it is strong and still retains the wood pattern. Particle boards, also known as chipboard, it is an engineered wood product made up of wood chips and sawdust, with a special resin which is pressed and extruded. Particle boards is cheaper and denser than natural wood, and even plywood. This makes them a cheaper and stronger substitute for wood. However, the downside is that particle boards have a less attractive appearance. They are commonly used in cheap wooden furniture to lower the cost of making them. Kevlar. Kevlar is a type of fiber developed as a replacement for steel. They are super strong and can be spun into ropes and fabric sheets. This makes them a good material to develop bulletproof vests and helmets as used in the military. Carbon reinforced plastics, or CRP, is a combination of carbon and plastic. It is extremely strong and lightweight. However, it can be very expensive to produce. It is currently being used for race cars and rockets, due to its lightweight and extremely strong properties. And that is it for composite materials. I hope you all learned something. Thank you and goodbye.